Got to get it, Papa. Here I am in a parking lot, as you can see. Probably you can tell that because there's cars parked all over the place back there. But the reason I'm here, wait, that's the dumpsters. No, the reason I'm here is this. Look that! Well, wait, there's more. Look that! And look that! Yes, this is a mall in Grapevine, Texas, and this place establishment is called Meow Wolf. And as you can see, it's got interesting pictures, including this multi-cat-headed creature climbing out of the rainbow wall or whatever. I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but I do like the up above it, the giant finger. I like the ice chest monster and the woolly mammoth skeleton. So there you go. And we'll see what waits inside, because I've heard about these places and they sound super exciting and terrifying all at the same time. But I have to find a trash can because I brought a giant drink with me that I finished, and instead of throwing it on the ground like most people do, I want to put it in a trash can. Well, I just walked in and there's a little cafe deal. You can get snacks and stuff. Apparently you can work up a tremendous hunger or thirst here. So we got that, and there's these big coolers with all kinds of drinks inside. Let's see what else is going on. It's all colorful and stuff. Look at these things. Look that. Don't touch. Okay. I didn't touch. Yeah, you kind of come in through this secret entrance by the gift shop. And look, there's the entrance, but that's not really the entrance. The real entrance is over here in this secret tunnel. But they're talking to somebody in there, so I need to wait for a little while.
Where not only do you get to leave satisfied, you explore the entire place, but it gets the entire look of the story page right now.
Well, I'm entering now, and I'm closing the door to reality. And here I am, and there's not too much in here really. It doesn't look. Oh wait. What's this? Oh, that's just one of those things. Oh, okay. Oh, look, there's warnings and stuff. Danger! Let's see. Well, and here I am in a town in Illinois, I believe they said, and I'm in somebody's front yard at night. And there's the house, and there's a tree and everything. There's all kind of stuff to do inside and look at. So this looks pretty straightforward. There's a house in a yard. So well, let's see what else happens. Let's see, I'll ring the doorbell maybe. It's 467, in case you didn't know. That's the address right there. And let's see, let's just walk in. We can walk into these people's house and look around. And yeah, it's like the foyer. Let's just go in here. This is the living room. Oh, and they got TV. I'm not sure what I'm looking for yet, but this is the fireplace.
Oh, where's the family? That's what the
Yeah, and there's a story about the family that I believe these people are from the family. They're all missing, and the walls are weird. If you look at the pictures, and the bricks are kind of warped.
That's a service dog. It's a working dog.
Yeah, this is in the dining room, and there's different clues as to things you can look at to figure out what's going on. And I think this is one too. I'm just like digging through their stuff. It's like they're not here, but they have a home business of making seasoning or something. And there's like a rack with all kinds of seasoning bottles. Look at that. And there's packing material and stuff. And Ruby's garden. And here's the different seasonings they work with. And they crunch it up and they measure it and all that and put it in those jars so they can sell that. And there's an inspirational poster they made, which I'm sure there's some kind of secret clues in there somewhere, but I'm too dumb to figure it out. Okay, everybody left, so I'm gonna climb inside here. In the fireplace, I think. Oh, look at that. Oh, ow. I'm inside the fireplace, everybody, and there's like a secret dimension in here. Here I go. Look at that. See? Okay. It's like the space forest out here. I think I'm doing this backwards. I probably am. It's the space forest. I didn't bring my spacesuit with me. Golly, it goes all over the place. Oh, it's like critters floating around and stuff. Oh, look at that guy.
Some of these guys look like that.
And look at him. Oh, and look, there's a creepy guy back there. Wait, can you see him? Can you see him? Come here! Over here! Wait, there's a secret exit over here. I see a bicycle. Well, a piece of a bicycle. Oh, what's going on out here? Something bit the shelf.
The kid is missing, so we have to find the whole man.
And he only got half his bike. Oh, wait, then I'm in the front yard again. Okay. See, it's making little kids cry and stuff. It's super crazy. Okay, now we're back in the house. I'm gonna see what's back here. Whoa. I'm gonna go upstairs. There's a lot of people in the kitchen, so I'm gonna go upstairs. Because I just get to wander around these people's house. And look, they got all their pictures. And there's clues and stuff. But like I said, I'm too dumb to figure it out, so I'm I'm just walking around. Looks like the home office. And they got some books and stuff. And I bet you there's some clues on here.
Time froze. Yeah, look, sorry.
Hey, see, that's where I came up, and there's like the hallway, the upstairs, and everything up here. So you get to like go dig around in everybody's rooms and stuff. They have a little tent set up. Made a fort. Uh-oh. See, that's one of the things you gotta pay attention to. Well, there's a weird picture poster.
I heard it.
This is just like a regular room, pretty much, except I know there's something weird in here. Besides me.
I'm just looking at the
I'm not sure what to look for. Oh, we can look out the window. don't know if you can see anything down there. Look at a creepy guy. Yeah, this is just in the closet here. I'm digging around in their clothes and stuff. But look inside here. It's a secret room back here. Uh-oh. It's all locked up. Do you have any of this kind of stuff in your closet? Look at that. Well, you can close it. I'll make the next people have to find it. Ooh, let's see what's in here. There's more secret weird stuff. Let's see. I'm gonna keep coming down the hall here. There's more bedrooms and stuff. And other clues. And stuff on the mirror. A lot of it just looks pretty normal, but you never know. And here's another hallway. Actually, this is kind of like a closet hallway. This is the secret way. It's so dark in here though. It's all spacey, but I'm inside the wall. Well, I don't know if you can't see that. I don't know if you can see me. I can't see where I'm going hardly. Okay, here we go. Oh, almost that. Yeah, I popped out of the linen closet again. Let's see. We'll go back through here. It's just like running around in somebody's house at some point. But now it's all spacey looking. Oh, I'll have to go down there when I try to escape. But let's see what's down there. There's some weird. Let me see. Oh no, I'm not sure what this is. Oh. Oh, it's like a store in here.
Ooh, have you found any of the brain beans yet?
No.
Well, you'll have to go check out the garden and the right and the left area of brain beans. Yeah, it's fun, but also whimsical. Oh yeah. He's like,
cool.
Do you like this area?
Everything's been pretty whimsical so far. I'm not sure about the giant toes though.
Oh yeah, he's like, He's like, not sure about that one. He's like,
ooh, that's pretty cool.
He's like, all seeing. No.
Cool.
Syria's definitely something. I know they said it was inspired by a Russian market.
Mm-hmm. It looks like it. Bye. A Russian market. That sounds like a clue. Ooh, I found this. Oh, wait, I was trying to go back to find something else. I hear people screaming. Where's that secret? There, here's the secret stairs.
Wait, I wonder what's in here.
Secret stairs down there. I don't know, so far it's pretty mysterious for me. Like I said, I can't figure out how to get out of my own house, much less something like this. So there may be, I don't know. Oh, and look at that. Look at that weird guy. There's a weird guy in there. This is like all kind of crazy rooms. There's a hole in the wall. There's a bunch of holes in the wall. Look at that. There's people pop out. Oh, look at that. I don't have any of those at my house. I think it came from the other dimension or something. Look at his eyeball. I think that's his eyeball. Oh, there's another one. Uh-oh, there's one on this end too. Well, okay. Wait, I'm back where I was a minute ago. I'm gonna close this so it's all secret again. Yeah. Oh, look at this room. It's like a Twilight Zone room or something, or the Doctor Who room or something. Smells like bubble gum. I don't know why. It smells like bubble gum in here. Yeah, let's see. It's like a throne. It's like all electronic though and stuff. I didn't know if it did something. Some stuff does stuff when you mess with it. Uh-oh. I don't know if I should go in there. There's a light effect in there. Well, if there's a closed door, it means I need to open it. Ooh, it's the office. There's some secret plans going on. Ooh, look. Look at that. They got some coffee too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's going all crazy. Uh-oh. Lightning is frightening. I'm in some kind of secret lab. Uh-oh. Something bad is happening. Uh-oh. It's even worse when it's quiet. Something happened over here. That doesn't look good. I need it cleaned up over here. Maybe I should get out of here before it starts doing something. Uh-oh. Something's happening on there. Wait, it's charging. Oh, I did.
Sequence initiated.
See, I know what I'm doing. Just go in and start punching stuff. See what happens.
Discharge. Discharge.
I'm not.
Discharge.
I'm moving away. Okay, well I just got out of there and that I'm not sure what's going on in this thing. Here's a bench so you can pass out for a little while. Mr. Mice Guy. It's like a little bakery. Business Central. Oh, the Business Centaur. Okay. Oh, that's different. I have no idea where I am. I'm on the bottom floor, I know that. But there's like stuff going on upstairs and I don't know what it is. And I think that's real, employees only. Look at all these little critters. It's like little Play-Doh things. It's like little houses or something you can get in. Like in a town somewhere. Looks like somebody closed shop. I wonder if I open that, what'll happen. It's so graffitiized. Yeah, I don't know what's going on in here. Oh, I like the little hot dog guy running around. This is the Dweeb ATM. Uh-oh. What? Let me do a balance access. Oh, look, inner pin. Oh, I'm missing a digit. There's too many cards in here. I can't get my card out. I'm getting away. I don't know what's happening. Uh-oh. Okay, now we got to see. Ooh. Try again. Oh man, I have to find a PIN number. I bet you in the house there's like a PIN number somewhere. And this is some kind of little store, but that looks like something I cooked on Look Dat a while back. I have to go through the Cook Dat episodes and find it. It's like the wiener worms that I made. They cook wiener worms here. Oh look, there's a whole tray of fruit. But yeah, let's see. Isn't the whole town? Oh, look, it's the worm group. Oh, you can get stuff over here too. Wow, look at that. It's like an arcade inside there. This is a kind of cool place just to sit around and stuff. It's definitely different. Look, I'm going in here. I'm just gonna walk around and we'll see what happens. Wait a minute, I just came from here. Let's see. Hello. There's lots of employee-only areas. Oh wait, I'm gonna go back this way and we'll see what happens. There's our friend with the little puppet guy. He didn't give me any clues this time though. I think they know I'm worthless as far as clues go. Let's see. I don't think I came through here. That's interesting. Oh, I better not go out this way. I think this is real. Portal not in use, not an exit. Okay, so I'm not gonna go that way. Oh, wait a minute. Exit to lobby. I'm not doing that. I'm not ready to go out. Run away yet. Let me go upstairs. I see stairs over here. Oh, look at that weird guy. Let's see. I can spy on everybody. Everybody left. I got here and everybody left. Yeah, this is upstairs in that weird town or city. This is the Racing Frog Noodle Company. Their cool sign. And I'm just walking around in the hallway. Ooh, wait, I'm getting somewhere. Not sure where. Oh, I'm back in that weird town and stuff, I think. No, I'm wrong. Wait, did I go down here? Look at that, I'm inside a watermelon. No, I don't think I came through here. Let's see what's around this corner. I see some plants and stuff. Oh, I'm like in jungle land now. The sofa got all eaten up by the earth. Look at that. The different jungle land than I've ever been in. Oh, look in here. Oh, it disappeared. Look. Getting this exercise. There's like a big tree stump thing. It's a magical tree. But these, I think. Oh, it plays music when you punch the mushroom deals. So remember to wash your hands. Let's go look around some more in the jungle land. Wait, see if these work. Yeah, they all light up. Well, let's see. It reminds me of E.T.'s home planet. Welcome home, welcome home, welcome home, welcome home. Welcome, E.T. Oh wait, I think I see him. Look at that head up there. There he is. It's a cool cat. There's an upstairs part, so I'll have to go up there. See? It's E.T. land. Welcome home. You have to know what I'm talking about to understand what I'm talking about. Here are birds and stuff. Oh, it's like a little secret tree house up here. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of low. Oh, this would be a fun tree house. Oh, they left their CD up here. And there's a little treehouse thing, and I came around the corner of the walkway here, and there's a bathtub up here, and I'm not sure why. Somebody needed a bath. Oh look, it's the back of one of those creatures flying around. Watch this. You want to see up inside the seaweed leaves? Here we go. Bet you never saw that before. That's a Look That exclusive. Yeah, look at the floor here. And it's all warped. And then it gets to this. It's the bathroom, but there's a critter coming out of the potty. Oh, I thought he might move or throw something if I touched him. God, this is freaky guys everywhere. Hey, wait, this is a medicine cabinet. Oh, look that! See, I can find all kind of secret stuff. And quite by accident, I assure you. I used to have a medicine cabinet that had stuff like that in it. Oh, and here's some interesting stuff, and it'll tell you some clues in here as to what happened or why people disappear and stuff. I haven't disappeared yet that I know of. I'll finish watching that guy on the toilet. You come back into the house. Oh, and there's a room I didn't go dig around in. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. Oh, they have cool music playing and stuff. It's kind of spacey. Uh-oh. There's a door. I think it's supposed to be a closet, but let's see. Ooh, they have like brick clothing. Look at that. I like his shoes. Uh-oh. I have to go down. It's like a secret hallway. Yeah, I popped out of there and I have no idea where I am. But there's these cool things lighting up. That was not lighting up though. Wonder if you have to go touch it. Nope. These things are lighting up and making sounds and stuff. Oh wait, that looks into E.T.'s land. E.T. world. I can recognize the trees. Oh, and there's a bathtub. Look at that. How many times can I find the bathtub in the tree? Oh, there's a racing frog again. And I'm back up here. I ended up back over here. Oh, something's going on. Yeah, a train or something just went by. I like that guy. That guy. that guy with the teeth over there is pretty weird too. Here's mystical stuff. Well, that was exciting and confusing. It was a perfect day for look that. And I was even able to get rid of my cup in a trash can. So there you go. And yeah, you could probably easily spend a whole day in there trying to figure all the stuff out, because there is like a mystery. You can kind of work on that and collect clues and figure it out, and then at the end you get a little prize of some sort. So think about that. But yeah, I'm still astounded and confused by everything. And I'm walking around in the parking lot, but I'm not sure. Oh well, I'll do like I did in there. I'll just wander around till I open the right door. Check back soon for more Look Dat.